Okay, expert 250 final. Expert 250. Wow! Borske, horse shot. Borske versus Doydoy Bandigan. Agay, nabilin si Doydoy. Ala, Borske, Jan Polarangis. Doydoy Bandigan, Ray Baitit. So, it's Bornok Mangosong. Nakauna. Wow! Doydoy, Ray. Wow! Expert 250 final here in Lamitan City, Basilan. Expert 250 final here in Lamitan City, Basilan. Borske nagauna. Arangis, Doydoy, Ray Baitit. Wow. Leading, it's the Lion Beam 111 Bornok Mangosong. Almost overtake Ray Baitit. Tuwara. Flat track competition here in Lamitan City, Basilan. Bornok Mangosong on the lead. Arangis on second. Araw. Wala, dikit ang laban. Bornok versus Arangis. Dikit ang bakbakan. Ray Baitit on third. Wow. Doydoy, ikaw pata. Dikit ang bakbakan, bay. Arangis versus Bornok. Pero Ray Baitit andyan na sa likuran. Wala. Up. Toro. White flag for Bornok Mangosong. White flag. Last lap, waiting for checkered flag, Bornok Mangosong. Ara. Wow! Champion, Borske! Wow! Matrix pa, oh. 1-1, champion Bornok Mangosong. Second, it's Arangis. Third, Ray. Fourth, it's Doydoy Bandigan.